At gyngre'r y gogledd lle roedd Prestatyn a Llanidloes angen y pwyntiau i symud o'r gwylodion. Y tîm cartra ddath agosan ar hanner cynta dan Atkins yn taro'r trawst. Ac yna, 10 munud yn ddiweddarach, Llanidloes yn methu ei chlirio a'r bêl yn disgyn i Atkins. A'r postyn yn unadu y tro hwn. I fewn i'r ail hanner y daeth cyfla clir cynta Llanidloes. Cig hir y golwr Luke Evans yn cyrraedd Jamie Breeze, ond i groesiad isel fodfeddi'n rhy bell i George Clark roi'r daffs ar y blaen. Yna, 20 munud ar ôl, pas wych dros yr amddiffyn gan yr eilydd Carl Clare yn canfod Dan Atkins, a'r gŵr ifanc talentog yn gorffan yn gelfydd heibio Evans. Bron i Atkins gael ei ail, Clare eto yn creu o gei crydd, ond Luke Evans yn arbad yn dda. Cafodd Llanidloes gyfla hwyr, ond Kyle Powell yn gwthio ar gyded Clark allan am gornel, a Prestatyn yn dal i gafal ar driffwynt gwerthfawr.
It's nice to get a bit of breathing space from the bottom. I mean, we're at bare bones at the moment in terms of injuries, lads away. I mean, one of our defenders had to go on goal today, which shows the severity of the squad that we've got at the moment. But the lads have all dug in, they've all shown that they can play at this level and the capability of getting 3 points at this level, and it sort of gives it a bit of breathing space, but we still need to kick on from now.
And super sub, the manager comes on and with a first touch, a cracking ball for the winning goal.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm there for. If I can come on and make a difference, which any substitute can, whether I'm the manager or a player, any substitute, the aim is to come on and make a difference. And luckily, I can, and Dan took his chance well at the end, and it's a much needed 3 points, and I'm proud of them all in there.
Disappointing day for yourselves?
Yeah, at the end, yeah, trying to pick the lads up at the moment. You know, we thought we put in a good shift. You know, worked quite hard the last couple of weeks on fitness and that. Worked on a few things defensively. To come away against, you know, a decent side who scored, you know, in the first quarter of an hour of the second half was difficult. You know, because I thought we defended quite well. I think they had probably the better of the chances at the bar, hit the post first half. We thought that, you know, to come away with a draw would be, you know, a good result for us, you know, to try and get us out of the bottom three. So yeah, the boys are a bit disappointed, but we just got to try and pick them up now, ready for next week.
You say down at the bottom threes, life is tough there for you, but a couple of wins can take you up. But you need to be beating teams around you, don't you? Yeah,
that's it. You know, we're trying to say now we're in a small little group down the bottom, and you know, like in sort of like a mini league, which, you know, we need to pick up points with the teams around us, and then anything else is a bonus. So, you know, it's just important now we just keep working on our game and you know, take each game as it comes. You know, still only early part of the season.
You had a chance in the first half, but it came off the bar.
Yeah, I was gutted about that. Centre-back played a beautiful few ball to me, and first time and hit the bar, I'm absolutely gutted.
And the player manager comes onto the field and does a terrific ball to yourself, and all you have to do is put it in the back of the net. Yeah,
that's the quality he's got, and as soon as he came on I knew exactly make that run, he's going to try and find me, and it came off and we've won the 3 points from it.